Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to adjust the game time in NBA Live Mobile in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First of all, open NBA Live Mobile and go to the settings menu. Unfortunately, EA Sports doesn't allow direct time adjustments for quarters in regular gameplay, but don't worry, I have a workaround. If you are playing season mode, the game automatically sets quarter lengths. But if you want longer or shorter games, you can try showdown or live events, which have different time settings depending on the event. Some players tweak their device time settings to speed up stamina, recovery, or event timers. However, be careful, EA might detect it and restrict your account. And that's it. While there's no direct way to adjust game time, you can use different modes for varied experiences. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.